6-1 question, students. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 6x plus k such that alpha plus alpha beta is equal to minus 2 upon 3, then the value of k is. Okay, so let us see how can we solve it. First, write down the given polynomial, students. So the given polynomial is 3x square. So I write p of x is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus k. Now you are familiar with this, that is we have to write directly 3x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0, which is in the quadratic equation form. So now here we compare this equation with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6 and the c is equal to k, students. Okay, so now the alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. That means, students, the sum of the zeros of the given polynomial is equal to minus b upon a. That means here minus 6 upon a. A means 3. So that means 3 ones are 3 twos are. So here alpha plus beta, that alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2, students. Okay, so now the next one, that is the product of the zeros of the polynomial. Formula is c upon a. So now the c is here k and the a is, that is the 3. So k upon 3, alpha into beta is equal to k upon 3. So now here the given condition is alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3, students. So now here alpha plus beta. So we have the value. So here substitute minus 2. Then alpha beta also we have this value. So k upon 3 and plus. So which is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Then here that you cross multiply minus 6 plus k here, or we can say that k upon 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 3 and shifting the positive 2. Okay, so k upon 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 upon 3. So that means the k upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay, so now k is equal to 4. Yes, so that means the correct answer is the option D, that is 4, students. Okay, so now let us see the next one example. Okay, एकदम सोपी गणित असतात स्टुडंट्स, पण तुम्ही हार्ड वर्किंग केलं पाहिजे. हार्ड वर्किंग केलं तर नक्कीच तुम्हाला हा मॅथ्स हा विषय अगदी इझी होऊन जाणार आहे. आणि स्टे विथ आवर चॅनल class 10 ncert SSC math with Sujata G. Okay, then if 7th one example, if the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus 2a upon b are reciprocal of each other, then the value of b is. Okay, so now here the given polynomial, see the students, the given polynomial here, see given polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus 2a upon b. So that means we write here ax square plus bx plus 2a upon b is equal to 0. Okay, so now here I simplify here first, because here is the denominator for this term. So I multiply. So here I write that multiplying both the sides, by b. Okay, so now here by multiplying this term by b multiply ax square plus b multiply bx plus b multiply 2a upon b is equal to b multiply 0. Okay, so here a b x square plus here b square x and here one, that is a b get cancelled, so 2a which is equal to 0. Okay, so now this one is the simplest form of the quadratic equation. Then I compare this equation with the general form of the quadratic equation. So here A is equal to AB, A is equal to AB, okay, B is equal to B square, and then C is equal to 2A, okay. Then alpha and beta, let us consider that alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. So here alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and the alpha beta is equal to c upon a here. Okay, so now here we have to find out the value of b here. Okay, so here is also the condition given. Given condition is that the zeros of the polynomial are reciprocal of each other. That means if you consider that the alpha and beta are the polynomial, are the two given polynomial, then that means the beta is equal to 1 upon alpha. We can take the value of beta is equal to 1 upon alpha, student. So here alpha multiply 1 upon alpha, and the C here, that C, what, where is the C? Yes, here C. The value of C, that is the 2A. And the value of A, that is the AB. So I here. So alpha and alpha, that get cancelled. So here 1, and here A get cancelled, and then 2. So here B is equal to 2. Here the value of B is equal to 2. So the option is yes, first one, that is the A is equal to 2. Okay, first one, option A, that answer 2. So now let us see the next one example, students. So the next one example, question 8, that is find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 4 upon 3x minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so now let us, how can we solve? First we write that is the polynomial, given polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 4 upon 3x minus 4 upon 3. ओके स्टुडंट्स, एक्झाम्पल्स खूप सोपे आहेत आणि एक्झाम्पल सोपे आहेत, अगदी आनंद घेऊन सोडवा ते आणि कठीण करू नका. एक्झाम्पल्सला कठीण करू नका. अगदी मेथड जी आहे मेथड फॉलो करा. एकदा मेथड फिट करा ब्रेनमध्ये की बरोबर ती मेथड तुम्हाला एक्झामला आठवेल आणि यू कॅन सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. ओके, सो p of x, that means here 0, that p of x is 0. So x square plus 4 upon 3 x minus 4 upon 3. So that means here x square plus 4 upon 3 x minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 0. Now here I simplify this quadratic equation. So you know that what will I do? That multiplying both the sides by 3. Okay, multiplying both the sides by 3. Okay, then here 3 multiply x square plus 3 multiply 4 upon 3x minus 3 multiply 4 upon 3, which is equal to 3 multiply 0. So that means here 3x square, see here 3x square, 3 get cancelled. So the answer of this is 4x, and here also the 3 get cancelled. The answer is minus 4, which is equal to 0. So this is the form of the simplest form of the quadratic equation. So now here we compare this equation with the general form of the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to plus 4, b is equal to plus 4, and c is equal to minus 4, students. Okay. So now here we want to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Yes, students. Here, here we have to find out the zeros of the polynomial. So this method is not here followed. Okay. So here we follow that. How can we solve it? We solve it by the factorization method, students. Okay. So we wanted to factor such that their product will be their product will be minus 12, and their addition or subtraction, their addition or product will be minus 12, and their addition or subtraction will be the positive 4. Okay student, so here which number are that are the number that 6 2s are there. Okay, so here positive 6 and the negative 2. Okay, so these are the perfect match. So now here 3x square, we write 3x square positive 6x minus 2x and then negative 4 is equal to 0. Okay, to 0. So now here students, the common from these two, that is the 3x, and in the bracket we write x plus 2. Here from this the common is 2 and in the bracket x plus 2 which is equal to 0. So now here in the first bracket x plus 2, in the second bracket 3x minus 2 which is equal to 0. So here we say x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now here x is equal to minus 2 student. Okay, and then 3x is equal to 2 which is equal to x is equal to 2 upon 3. So now here students, so these are, that is the minus 2 and 2 upon 3 are the 0 of the given polynomial. Question 9 students, thus if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to p plus 1 x square plus 2p plus 3 x plus 3p plus 4 is minus 1, then find the value of p here. So now here students, the given polynomial is that is the p of x is equal to p plus 1 x square plus 2p plus 3 x plus 3p plus 4. Okay, so now here first we write that is the as usual that p plus 1 x square plus 2p plus 3 x plus 3p plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this equation is in the form of it is in the quadratic form. So here we comparing this equation with general quadratic form of equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to p plus 1, b is equal to 2p plus 3 students, this one, and the c is equal to 3p plus 4. Okay, so now here the given is that the sum of the zeros is minus 1. Okay, sum of the zeros is minus 1. So here that sum of the zeros, suppose we have to find consider that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then their sum is equal to minus b upon a as per the formula. But here the given value is minus 1. So I write here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1, and then here I write that minus 2p plus 3 and divided by that p plus 1. Okay students, this one. And then cross multiply, that is the p plus 1 is equal to minus 2p minus 3. Then here minus p minus 1 is equal to minus 2p minus 3. So this way minus p plus 2p is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that means p is equal to minus 2. So such a way we can solve it, that is the value of p is equal to minus 2.